Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. For this holiday, I will be making chocolate wreathbread. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, dissolve the yeast in the warm milk. Mix the salt, sugar, and flour together. Add the warm milk. You want the milk temperature to be around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so the yeast can be activated. Then add 1 egg and mix everything together. At this time, the dough will be kinda sticky. Kneading the dough will be very hard. There is no need to do that now. Just make sure there's no dry flour left in the bowl. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Give the dough some time to form the gluten by itself. 20 minutes later, as you can see, some gluten strands have already formed. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter and knead the dough so that it can absorb all the oil. At first, the bowl will be very greasy. Stretch, fold, and slap the dough to help it absorb the melted butter. When all the oil is absorbed, knead the dough until it's smooth. This step took me about 5 minutes. Cover it and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour until it has doubled in size. Ideal rising temperatures are between 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. One hour later, when the dough has doubled in size, spread some flour on top of the dough and your hands. Punch down the dough to remove the air bubbles. Transfer the dough onto your working surface. Keep removing air until the size of the dough is almost the same as before the rise. Divide the dough into 4 pieces. Take 1 piece at a time. Cover the rest to keep their moisture. Dust some flour on your working surface and the rolling pin. Using the rolling pin, flatten the dough into a big rectangular shape. The size of the square won't matter too much here, because you can always stretch it later. Spread a thin layer of Nutella and leave a margin about ½ an inch, so it won't get messy. Start from one end of the dough, roll it up, and seal the seam. Gently stretch the dough to 1 foot long. Then cut it in half. make sure the top is still connected, so it will be easy to braid the dough. Braiding a 2-strand bread is very easy. Left goes right, right goes left. Repeat and keep crossing them like this. Make sure to always keep the longitudinal section facing up, so the bread will look pretty. Pinch both ends together. And voila! You just completed a raw Nutella wreathbread. Do the final proof in a warm environment, preferably around 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, such as a closed oven, for about 40 minutes. After the final proof, brush on a thin layer of the egg wash before baking, in order to get a nice shiny color. Bake for 18 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The freshly baked chocolate bread smells so good. It has a crispy crust on the surface because of the egg wash. After it cools down, the bread is soft and fluffy. This is a great breakfast bread to start a wonderful winter holiday.
Merry Christmas! If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!